Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this small bookmark using some leftover yarn. To make this cute bookmark, I use these leftover yarns with 2.20mm hook from Tulip. To start, I make a magic circle, then 3 chain. After that, I will make 12 double crochet. This is the first one. Second double crochet. I will make 12 double crochet, so there are 13 double crochet including the 3 chains. Let me count them again. All are 13, so I will fasten the yarn. After this, I will make a slip stitch on the third chains. On the third of the 3 chains that I made at the beginning of this project. This one. So I'll start the main pattern. Skip 1 stitch, then make 8 treble crochet in the next 1 stitch. This is the first treble crochet. This one is the second treble crochet. The third treble crochet. Fourth. The fifth treble crochet. 6. Seventh. This is the last one. 8 treble crochet altogether. Okay, then 1 double crochet in the next 1 stitch. One double and 1 half double crochet in the next 1 stitch. Half double, 2 half double crochet in the next 1 stitch. In this part, 1 half double and 1 double crochet. Okay. Okay, after this I will make a picot stitch. This picot stitch is made of 1 chain. Then I will make the slip stitch through these 2 front loops. Then 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet in the next 1 stitch. Two half double crochet in the next 1 stitch. One half double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next 1 stitch. Half double. This one is a double crochet. This is triple crochet. 8 treble crochet in the next 1 stitch. the third treble crochet. Okay, fourth. This one is the fifth treble crochet. The right and the left side pattern of this applique heart for the bookmark is not similar. On the left side, I made one double crochet before after the treble crochet, but on the right side I directly make 8 treble crochet after 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet in a similar stitch. That's the difference. Okay, this is a yarn tail. Okay, I will hide it inside the pattern. Okay, after making this whole 8 treble crochet, I will directly make a slip stitch in this stitch. Okay, done. This is what it looks like. After this, I will make a handle. I call it handle. It is made of actually it's like chainless single crochet. I will make it like this. Please have a look. I start with 2 chains, then I will insert the hook into the first chain, this first chain, grab the yarn, pull it up, then yarn over, pull through 1 loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, then repeat this action. Okay, insert the hook into this stitch, then grab the yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, you just need to repeat this action to get until you get the length you want, or until you get the length that fits your book. This is a bookmark. Repeat this pattern. Okay, make it again and again. I don't know how to say, I don't know what's the name of this stitch. I call it, perhaps it look like a chainless single crochet, so I'll call it as a modified chainless single crochet. Okay, done. I will end this project here. I will cut the yarn. Okay, right, then I will cut all this yarn tail using a scissor. Okay, done. This is what it looks like. It's small, but it's beautiful. This project just use a leftover yarn, so you can create yours. You can modify this pattern to make your own creation. Well everyone, I hope you like this pattern. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.